Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to wow your audience? I'll show you how to make text magically appear in Canva. Click the Create button, then select Videos from the options. Choose the mobile video template to start your project. Next, browse through the available elements and find the one you want to use in your mobile video design. Select a video you want to watch. Hover over the thumbnail and look for the play button. Click the play button to start the video. You can pause or resume playback at any time by clicking the same button. Adjust volume or full screen as needed. You might miss other important updates if you don't adjust your notification settings. Check your preferences regularly to stay informed about new features, messages, and relevant announcements from the app or platform. Next, add text or elements to your design. First, go to the Line tool, which you'll find in the toolbar. Click the line icon to select it. Now, draw a line anywhere on your canvas by clicking and dragging. Adjust the position or size as needed before adding more elements or text. To add a line, first click on the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type line and press enter. Browse the results, select your preferred line style, and click to add it to your design workspace. Adjust as needed. To increase the stroke, first select your object on the canvas. Then, go to the Properties panel and locate the stroke option. Adjust the stroke width value to your desired thickness, and watch the outline update instantly. Next, select the line and duplicate it to create an exact copy. This ensures you have an identical line to work with. Now, click the Text tool in the toolbar. Then click on your canvas to add your desired text. To add text to your project, go to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click anywhere on your canvas to place the text box. Type OK Boom into the box. You can move the text box by clicking and dragging it to your preferred location on the canvas. Use the formatting options to adjust the font, size, and color as needed to match your project style. Next, if you want to add a text file, go to the File menu and choose Import. Select the text file you'd like to add and click Open. The contents of the text file will appear in your project. Position the imported text where you want and format it for consistency with the rest of your content. Now, let's add animation in this section to enhance visual engagement and clarity. Select the Succession option from the menu. Then click the Go button to proceed to the next step. Select the line you want to animate. Go to the animation options at the top of the screen, then click Add Animation. From the list of available animations, choose Rise. This will apply the Rise animation effect to your selected line, completing the process. Click the line with the exit animation you want to reverse. Next, select the other line that has an animation applied. Click on the animation labeled Cry or similar, then choose the direction option. In the menu, select downward to set the direction for the animation. After that, return to the animation settings and click Reverse Animation to make the animation play in the opposite direction. This will ensure your exit animation occurs exactly as needed. Review the sequence to confirm your animation moves as expected, then save your changes. Select Peter from the contact list to highlight his conversation. Since the message is important and lengthy, make sure you review it carefully before responding to ensure you fully understand all the details and context. To move this item, first click and hold it with your mouse. While holding, drag it to the new location you want. Once it's in position, release the mouse button to drop it into place. The item is now successfully moved. Click the play button to start the video. This will begin playback immediately, allowing you to view the content in real time. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward using the controls at the bottom of the player. Adjust the volume or enter full screen as needed for your preference. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the MP4 video format. After that, adjust the settings to increase the video quality before saving. Click the Download button to save this file to your computer. You've just learned how to make amazing text reveal animations in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative Canva tricks.